Hello everybody, my name's Galaxy Eyes. This is my unboxing video for Tom Clancy's The Division, Sleeper Agent Edition. Now, I've already unboxed it because I've been playing it. I waited for it to download at the midnight release. But of course I couldn't play it because I was too damn tired. I know a lot of people have done these unboxing videos, but figured I'd show my one as well. Okay, let's go get this open. I don't have proper filming equipment, so I'm just using my mobile phone at the moment. And it's kind of hard when I'm having to use one hand. So, bear with me. First of all, you got the box. Pretty sweet. There we go, that worked to some extent. Yeah, that just failed. Everything sort of went everywhere. Okay. So what have we got? First things first, this book. This is the Division art book. Let's open up a few pages, see what we got. Nice logo on there. Okay, so the artwork basically shows everything that the developers and creators of it wanted to make for it. Some of the stuff they probably would have added. It was Agent Ryan. A lot of you people will notice him, remember him from the first gameplay that was ever shown. And you got the equipment that your agents would use. And then you got pages on the factions as well. Got the cleaners here. Okay, moving on. You got your armband. Inside you've got the straps to hold it, to attach it to your arm. Sorry about that, dropped I'm seriously bad at this. But this is my first video for YouTube. Then we've got, I believe this is the poster. I haven't actually got it open yet. Bear with me, just trying to use one hand to unfold a poster. I don't think it's ever been done before, but yeah, you're going to see the white of the poster at the moment. Okay, so this is the poster. Save what remains. So you have a few seconds to look at that. Put that down. Still don't know where to put it on my wall. Got a lot of other stuff put up as well. Last but not least is the Division watch. This is the box it comes in. I'm already wearing the watch, so let me just show you. It's a pretty cool watch. Press the button on the side, lights up. You also got an alarm clock, stopwatch, world time. On the back, or on the underpart of the watch, you can see that it is, you can't see it because I can't get it to balance. You could sort of make out that it is laser etched onto the back. Okay. Now inside the watch, the box for the watch, it comes with some extra links, which for me, I haven't needed to do anything. The watch is a bit loose, but it fits alright. I'll probably end up getting one removed, but you also get your instruction manual, small screwdriver. This is used to remove the compartment for where the battery is. You also get an extra battery for it as well. Okay, so you've probably noticed that the game disc isn't in there, but that's because I've been having it uploaded onto my Xbox One. The only concern I had with this thing is that they didn't do a steelbox for it. You'd think for a special edition that they would do, but I'm not complaining. I'm quite satisfied with everything else. Anyway, this is my unboxing video. I'm now going to spend the next 2 days playing The Division. Thank you all for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video. Galaxy Eyes, signing out.